You flip it over? Okay. There it goes. Uh-oh, the music stopped. Can you color? Instead of throwing the crayons in the air? You're silly. Yeah. Can you show me coloring with your crayons? Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, excellent. Yeah. Oh, please what? Oh, color on the paper? Is that what you want? Okay, let's see. How about Mommy will color a circle. Circle, 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 circle. Can you do a circle? Nope, your turn. Circle, circle, circle. Yeah! Okay. How about... Oh yeah? Let's draw a triangle. Alright, here, how about this one? Can you color? Can you do a triangle? Awesome! Awesome! Look at him go! Good triangle! I love it! Oh, good circles too! Yeah! Just so you know, he did draw a circle. Triangles are a little out of our league at this point though. Awesome! Thanks for coloring with me, honey. Bye!